Before I started to make this brew, I cleaned my fermentation bucket, as I always do. And one of the things I like to do is take the tap off, the nozzle, the faucet, and give it a really good scrub. I've not used it for a while, so the bucket's been sat in my cupboard. And I'm always surprised at the amount of gunk that gathers within the thread of the nozzle. It's gunky, it's dirty. You do not want gunk in your thread of your nozzle, nor do you want gunk in the washer or the nut of your tap. Dirty, 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 dirty. So make sure if you use a fermentation bucket with the tap on, give it a really good clean and scrub. Take the bits apart. Make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies, all the folds, all the lips. Get deep inside and give it a really good going over. Give it a really good seam to the best you can. You do not want gunk forming. Gunk equals bacteria. Bacteria equals problems. So give it a good going over, get it all clean, all spotless. Then that way you will be eliminating one potential problem. It pays, it doesn't take long. A quick 2 seconds in and out, give it a good scrub, take it apart, job's a good one.